Hi guys, it's Danny. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my February monthly spread using this kit from Made by Elissa. This is her February personal monthly kit. So it is sized for a personal size planner and these fit my No. 4 Foxy Fix insert perfectly. As soon as I saw this kit I had to have it. It's quite Valentine's Day with the roses and like there's love hearts and champagne glasses here, but it's not over the top, and I like the green thrown in here so it's not too just red and pink. Really pretty. So I have moved into my sugar cookie, so I've dressed her up in pinks and like roses, sort of rosy mauve pinks, and I think she looks very pretty for February, so I'm going to jump straight in. So I'm just popping out my monthly insert to start with, and just a quick look at my January spread there. I love how that turned out. I was really happy with it. Okay, so for February there I just have my main appointments and major events written in with my friction pen, so I can just erase those when I decorate. I'm going ahead and putting down my headers. These fit really well in that space up there. They're just a little bit too wide, so I'm just trimming off a little bit off each end. I love that floral. Going ahead and putting in my notes sidebar. Then I'm going to go through and put in a payday flag on every Friday. I'm just using tweezers because these stickers are quite teeny and I've got long nails. It makes it hard to put down the little stickers. I'm going ahead and putting a full box in on Valentine's Day, and I'm going to use the little Valentine's Day box there. Then I'm just going to go through and choose my washi. I end up going with this beautiful rose print floral. So I'm just going to use this to cover up the days that aren't in the month. And I also use that pinky champagne coloured glitter. Now I'm going to go through and put in my appointments and events for the month. So on the first I had a couple of things to do. I had an orthodontist appointment, which is always fun, and I had to pick up my dress from the dressmakers, my bridesmaid's dress. Then on the second, my hubby had an exam that he had to defer last semester, so we had to do that. And then I also had to get my nails done because I had a hen night on Saturday. So I'm going to put in a half box for that. And this is for the bride whose wedding I'm going to be in next month, so that's very exciting. We had a lot of fun. Then on the 11th, it's my father-in-law's 60th birthday party, so we're going up for the weekend to see them. So I'm just putting in a half box for that. Then on the 17th, I'm putting in a little flag and some balloons and a small label for my daughter's 6-month birthday. I suppose she's 6 months that day, so I wanted to mark that. And then I'm popping in those balloons on the 11th for my father-in-law. On the 24th, I have to work, so I'm putting in a little box for that. On the 26th is the first day of semester for uni, so I'm putting in a half box for that. It's a pretty big day. Going to kick off a very long year of study for me. Then I'm just going to go in with all my little date dots. Even though it takes forever, it's probably one of my favourite parts of doing my monthly spread. Now I'm just choosing some washi to put down the side. I didn't want to choose one that would clash too much, so I just picked this white one with some cute little pink flowers and some green leaves on it. I'm just trimming off the excess there. Now that I've filled everything in, I'm going to go in with my Peaceful Mind Design Public Holiday little eshy characters, and I'm just going to cut off the Valentine's Day script off the bottom of this little guy holding the heart because I've already put in that Valentine's Day label. Next, I'm taking this Girls Night sticker off this pretty little peony sampler, and I'm just going to cover up that hen night that I've written in there, and I'll just write it underneath. I just really like that floral and script. It just goes really well with this spread, I thought. Then I also put in a little box off camera for catching up with my Nana on the 5th. So I'm putting in a little bow paper clip from That Planner Girl on there, and that matches lovely. Then I'm putting a little Peaceful Mind Design makeup brush icon on my work label. And then I'm putting in this cute little study eshy character, again from Peaceful Mind Design, next to my start of semester label, and I'm using the one that's like dying under a pile of books because I just thought that was funny. So So there I've just zoomed in a little bit so you can see those smaller icons in a bit more detail. And that's everything finished, so I'm just popping everything back away. Just a quick one, it is the start of the month, so it's pretty empty as usual, so don't forget to check my Instagram at the end of the month where I'll upload my finished spread. And I really hope you enjoyed watching. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!